Hey everybody, and welcome to my 2022 sample advent calendar. Today is the 22nd day, and I broke out and hooked up my Moog Voyager. I figured we'd get some actual real analog sounds recorded in here for some fun. So let's move over to Bank B, and I'm just going to record whatever we got. I'm going to have to reach over, so this might take a little bit longer, again, as I'm kind of going back and forth, but bear with me, and we'll record some more samples for you guys for what we want to do with them. So let's get to it. We're starting off with a pretty powerful saw wave here. Fortunately, we're not clipping, but that thing goes to town. All right, let's see what else we got. Kind of a lead, maybe a little bit towards the sine sound, or maybe some filtering. Let's keep going. This one's a fifths. Nice kind of stringy kind of sound to it. I dig it. This one says deep on it, so let's go low. Oh my. I don't know. I don't know if you caught that, but look at that. All right, I'm gonna actually normalize this one. Look how chunky that is. All right. I know I said I wasn't gonna edit too many of these, but that one, I hope you guys can hear that. That thing's just awesome. I love the Voyager. I don't use it enough. It's actually set up across my room. Anyway, let's get out of here. Let's keep recording. Kind of a wood blocky kind of sound. I don't think I hit two notes there. I think that was a glide. I think it kind of glid up from the previous note I played, which is kind of neat. Good luck. Have fun with it. Another glide. You might want to chop off that beginning if you don't want the glide, but the sustain there is pretty good. All right, this has bass warbler. Hopefully this isn't too low. Another nice chunky one. This says drone, so let's see how long we can go with before I get tired of it. Okay, because it's kind of like a metallic knock. I don't know if I'd call that a drone, but maybe I need to play it higher up. Hollow lead. That's pretty nice. Maybe I wouldn't play it so loud or high, but maybe a good chunk there. Drippy should be interesting to see what this is. All right. I don't know. Maybe it needs to go lower to be drippy. The tail was nice. Yeah, it's still too fast. Anyway. We get a sample and hold sweeper. Should be fun. Yeah, I dig this. Almost kind of like a almost glass bell. Sawtooth sequence. Maybe we need something running. We'll leave that though. smooth and slow attack lead. That's kind of cool. And the last one for the day, we got an AM drum. Did I not? Let's do that again. All right, guys. There you go. Another 16 samples. Keep having fun. Keep making music. Enjoy your holidays. And remember, if it sounds good, it is good. Peace.